We're playing electric Jenga.
We are.
Got these TENS therapy bracelet things on. They send electric impulses in your muscles, so you can see it's twitching pretty good. And we're about to play some Jenga.
Oh man. Okay.
Round one.
That's my thumb.
I'm doing a full
Oh no.
full arm workout. If you push harder on it, it does worse things.
Ooh.
You want some tape?
Oh, I'm really working out. Oh man. Okay. Am I gonna go first?
Yeah.
Turn my doorknob. I'm just thinking. It doesn't want to.
If you relax it completely, so
That's why I'm saying mine can burn.
my thumb's just like involuntary.
Terrifying. Oh, I'm moving 4 of them. Where are you? Oh god. I'm gonna knock it over and it's not even one out yet.
Oh, you're the worst.
I'm using my good arm for that. He's already bad at Jenga, so.
Yeah.
Why am I turning a doorknob so many times?
Nope. Yeah, it's something easier.
My hand doesn't want to be flat.
Yeah, let's stay here. Let's do it itself. Nope. Oh man, this is so bad. Go, come on. Go, come on.
I'm rooting you on. Yeah, I'm definitely just going to use this hand only. One-handed Jenga.
This game is gonna last long.
Be strong. 9 power. That's all it is.
Fingertips are tingling.
Nope.
Just
You're gonna stay
scratch
wherever you
my
are.
face. Need help?
Oh. Oh. Why?
Jeez. Yeah, the bicep's good.
There you go. It moves by itself.
Alright.
It's alive. So weird. I'm gonna have one real strong arm. What is
This needs more
happening?
for
What
recovery.
is happening? Oh gosh.
Yep, keep
Why?
going. Keep tapping.
I wonder if it's as my muscle gets weaker. Can't fight back as well. Wherever it lands.
Okay. Oh. Jeez. It's getting tough.
If you need me.
Okay, you need to see it. Add up.
Oh my god. Oh no. It's when you're, for whatever reason, when your elbow's up higher, it's way harder to control. Yep. Be strong. You're stronger than this. What is happening?
You started it.
Oh no. I was put 2 down. No!
I'm
Hi.
on. Don't get
Oh.
tired. Okay, I'm Ondu,
I'm Mora.
and we're playing Jenga.
Okay. Oh! And then it's just perfect. Oh, it's tickling.
Ooh, No, just go back.
It hurts.
It's so.
I think if you can outlast around you, you might be alright.
I don't like it.
I have to focus so hard and it's just.
Get out.
Oh. Yeah. It's gonna.
I'm in my own personal war here with this shit.
Okay. Ooh, stop moving. Okay. Okay.
Why is it so strong? She does it so
What the
effortlessly.
heck?
You gotta get it done quick. Oh! Now she's Mickey Mouse. We'll fake this one easy. Oh! Oh!
Okay. Okay, maybe it's from.
It sounded constipated. Only one hand.
Didn't we talk about if we were left or right-handed yesterday? Was it you guys?
You imagined it.
Yes, it was. It took me way too long, but yes, I was right.
I'm right-handed and my left hand is just there. So this is kind of like really. I hope. Oh!
Ah!
Right, you have to step wrong. Step real hard.
Look, it's right there. Like I'm trying to grab it, but I can't.
You gotta pinch it with your tips.
No, maybe if I push it back this way,
Put it back and it's home.
because that's the one I want. Because it's the easiest one to use. But like.
Back out.
Now what? The other part.
I don't like.
No, my pinky's not steady enough. Oh, I gotta get this one out.
It just keeps going back in.
Okay.
It took so much effort. No, I don't want you to go higher.